Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we are discuss about the economics. As a science of the decision making, economics philosophy operate in our daily life, we realize it or not. When we consider economics as a science, its decisions and its philosophy, it influence our day-to-day decisions and the daily life's works. When we are evaluating the interest rate on our credit card or trying to decide to buy or lease a car, what's happened? Go out dinner or go out vacation, what happened? They are all decisions we are make using the economics. Without the help of the decisions, we never purchase a car, we never consider to go to the dinner, we never consider go to the vacations, because all the situations is related to the economic activities. Because when you go to the market, when you plan to the vacations, all the activities is related to the financial activities, and the economics consider how can you use your resource, that means your money. Without the help of the economics, you never to use the money to make maximum satisfactions. All the things are the required, but which create more satisfactions, you never decide without the help of economics. Think, we live in a world of the unlimited and the unlimited wants of the limited resources to trying to fulfill it. Economics help to decide which wants you fulfill in your life, because all the wants never be fulfilled in the same time, because resources are limited and it's never to complete all the wants in very carefully. So we try to understand which is the more important and then decide according to the importance of the our wants we satisfied first. Otherwise, when we discuss about the economic fields, it is a very broad. Otherwise, in your daily life, you make a decisions which is related to the market, which is related to the productions, which is related to the consumptions, all the factors of the productions. So similarly, there is a so very vast sectors of economics. So we are never try to understand the appropriate decisions and for economics. So there is so many persons are define the economics as well as, but I think what is the economics in a very simple and carefully. The economics is the study of how a society use its limited resources. I think economics is a study how the society use the limited resources. Economics is a social science that deal with the product, distribution, production, consumptions of the goods and services, so blah. So it is a very effective for all those factors. Without the help of the economics, we are not decide the productions, we not decide to the distributions of the goods and services, and not to the consume of the goods and services. So focusedly we are focused about the economics as a social science. We clearly our stands the economics studies to the factors of the difference, just like a production, distributions, and the consumptions of the goods. In last class we study class 10th we study the factor of the production. What is the factor of the productions? land, labor, capital, and the entrepreneurs are the factor of the productions, and it is the hardly involved in the economic decisions. Without the economic decisions, we never consider about the capital, entrepreneurs, land, and the labor. So economics decisions is affected all those factors. So economics the focus in the factor of the productions in the societies, which help to the buying, selling, saving, and the other activities. So economics the mostly give highly impact in our day to day life. Otherwise, when we try to the deep in the economics factors, we are consider the two main branches of the economics. The first is the macroeconomics and second is the microeconomics. There is a two basic branches of the economics. Due to the large sectors of the economics is divided into two branches, first macroeconomics and second microeconomics. So let us understand about the macro and microeconomics to next class. Okay, thank you, keep watching my videos, and if you have any problem, please comment your questions and your problems. Thank you. And